Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On. I want to say a huge thank you. I'm sweating. A huge thank you, and for helping me hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is great. I really appreciate it. Appreciate everybody that subscribes. So what I'm announcing here is I want to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Have a little fun with it. So I'm going to make some more stuff to give away, and I'll make videos of each item. So once I get some things made and the videos out there, I'll schedule a video and talk about what all we're giving away. And I have to decide whether I want to do it through a live stream or if I want to just have a video and everybody put it in there and I just start drawing. Some of the things what I'm thinking about doing is kind of varying it. I know I've got people here on my channel that come for the blacksmithing or welding, and then other people have come here just to support me. And and I do a lot of different things. So what I'm thinking about doing is make me another set of leaf earrings. This is only one earring, but maybe make me another set of those, and I'll video that. And that way, somebody wants a set of earrings for themselves or for their wives or for whatever. Also, I've got this one I've had made, but I've got one partially made. I may finish making that one so I can video that. I've actually videoed this one. I'll try to link it in the card here or something. I guess it's over here. But I may make another one for the video, and maybe I'll leave it flat, and then whoever wins it for themselves, or if they want to give it to somebody, they can give me. They can take and measure around their wrist with a piece of string, whoever wants it. And I've got this sizer for basically for making cuff earrings, and that way I can get it sized for you before I ship it out. Another thing I want to probably add to the giveaway is one of these tools for holding chisels and stuff when you're forging. They're really great for your touch marks, because if your touch mark is short like mine, I have several of these. I keep one in there just for touch mark, so I'll probably give one of these away to somebody. And if there's any woodworkers in the bunch, I've got this one I made for my woodworking bench here, a hold fast. And oops, there it goes. There's probably a wasp nest down there. So how much I use my woodworking bench. So I'll make a hold fast. This is 5/8 inch rod, and I'll put a foot on it. So I know I will. I'll video making one of these. I may make it a little longer in case somebody's got a longer bench or something and wants to hold higher stuff. We'll see. But I'll forge that and I'll video it and put it out there. And I make horseshoe cowboys. So if you're into Western type stuff, cowboys and that, I make they're made out of horseshoe. It's more of a welding, heating, and bending kind of project. But they have copper wire for lassos and little cowboy hats on them, and I pose them, paint them, and so I'll probably give one of those away. And what else am I going to do? Oh, I might have some other stuff that some people, I'm not really sponsored, but I got to get a hold of some people. They said something about they may help give away some stuff that I've given away in the past. So if you've been here in the past, you probably know what that is. But I'll get a hold of them just to verify they still want to do that. But if they do, then we'll add that to the mix too. And I think that's about it. If I think of something else, I'll just add it to it. But anyway, hope you all stick around. Again, thank you so much for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. But anyways, to me, it's just hitting 1,000. It's just taking me over 4 years, about 4.5 years. I started in January, so yeah, 4.5 years ago. It took me 4.5 years to get to 1,000 subscribers. I missed a lot of time being out with injuries or surgeries, and I get a lot of people watching because of my recovery videos I post out there. And so I want to get as much done as I can, because I'm going in to get my other knee replaced. I just had my one knee replaced in in March. I'm going in this fall to get my other knee replaced. So during that time, I'm gonna try to make some videos ahead of time that I can kind of just post out there, but I'm also may make some different kind of videos, just stuff I can do in my house. And it won't be shop related, but you know, if you want to watch, that's fine. It'll be more like just stuff I can do in there, or maybe even a little vlogging kind of a deal, but I'm not much of a vlogger. Yeah, just don't know what I don't know if anybody'd stick around and watch my vlogs, but it'd be fun. So anyway, you all have a blessed day, and again, I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much, and 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thanks. Bye-bye now.